Hello and welcome to Nikki the Analyst. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, so please like and subscribe and share the videos. Today, I'm going to be going over parameters and arguments in Python. So a parameter is a variable listed inside the parentheses in a function definition. An argument is a value that is sent, that are sent to the function when it is called. So let's go ahead and get started, have a little example, and this is going to help out with the next couple of videos because goal is to build on everything that I am learning and share it to you. Please leave comments, questions, concerns, complaints. So we are going to create a function. We're going to call it greet. Okay. So greet, and in this function greet, we'll put Nikki, right? And then we'll have the second print statement, and it's going to be like, how we would want to say, how are you doing? And these are print statements. Remember, print statements, it's just a statement, can't say anything back. And we're going to have the argument. So we're going to call this. When I say call, that means it's going to print out our, oops, make sure we're spelling greet. So when we do this, no parameters, yes, no. Let's go ahead and run this. So you see down here, you got the, hello, Nikki. Oops, how are you doing? See, got that, that's good. So let's go ahead and add that because we're going to flip around the information and put things inside of our argument. So let's go ahead and start that. So, you know what? Let's get rid of everything. Excuse me, I have a little cough today. Right, so we're going to rename this function greet with name because we'll put my name in there, right? So inside, we're going to put name because that's what we're going to have it call back to. So we'll put print. And we'll put our F function. Oops, wrong one. Hello, curly brackets, name, right? Got that, sounds good. And, oops, and we're gonna have it call it greet name. And what name should we put in? We'll put Julie. Not all caps though. There we go, Julie. So what's gonna happen is Julie is the name. We have red box, which is telling us create class Julie. Oh, that is not what we wanted to do. Undo. Undo. There we go. Don't forget to do. Got to put parentheses around things. There we go. So Julie is the name. Let's see, name. And when we print the statement out, Julie should go in there. If we did this correctly, it did. Hello, Julie. All right, so we got a good start. So let's do a function with more than one input. See, let's just put, we're gonna call this one greet. We'll keep it greet with name, have to change a lot of things, and we're gonna put location. And we'll have another one right here. Print. Okay. Hello, are you, we'll just put question, are you from curly brackets, and we're gonna put location, right? Seems easy enough. And then here, we're gonna put it location, and we're gonna say, pick a random place. Let's say Italy. Okay. So everything's in order, name, location. So let's go ahead and run this statement. Hello, Julie, are you from Italy? Oh, probably should put a question mark. But see, it works, right? So Now, what are we going to do when we're calling our function, but let's say things are out of order. So let's just say I put USA, and we'll just change it around, and we'll put Mitch, full name, because remember, everything's in order, right? Hello, USA, are you from Mitch? No, that doesn't sound right, right? So how do you fix that? Let's, with there, you're gonna put the keyword with the argument. So we would redo this. And so what we would keep the greet with name. And then we would put location equals, all right? And then we put name equals, there we go. So I know we'll keep it there. Hello, Mitch, are you from the USA? So that was short and sweet. That was awesome. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe the video. We're gonna do something a little fun in the next video. I'm gonna record that right now. So yes, same aesthetic. So come back to the next video. We're gonna do some deciphering and encryption. And you're gonna be like, well, how are we doing that? It all is based off of what we learn right now. So come back and we will do that. All righty.